Hello everyone, this is Monisha from SCCA Bangalore Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are discussing about solar thermal energy and its applications. The contents are introduction to solar thermal energy, types of solar thermal collectors, applications of solar thermal energy, advantages and disadvantages of solar thermal energy, current state of solar thermal energy, future of solar thermal energy. Introduction to solar thermal energy. Solar thermal energy is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of sun to generate heat. They use it for a variety of applications, including generating electricity, heating water, pay and space, and powering industry processes. Solar thermal system typically consist of collectors that absorb the sunlight and convert it into heat, which is then transferred into fluid or air that circulates through the system. The heated fluid or air can be used directly or stored for later use. The types of solar thermal collectors. There are several types of solar thermal collectors, including plate collectors, evacuated tube collectors, and concentrating collectors. Plate collectors are the most common type and consist of dark colored absorbed plate that is covered by the transparent cover. Evacuated tube collectors are similar to the flat plate collectors, but glass tubes that are evacuated to reduce the heat loss. Concentrating collectors are minor or lens to concentrate the sunlight into small areas, which increases the temperature of the fluid or air being heated. The types of collector are you depends on the application and the location. Flat plate collectors are suitable for the residential and small commercial applications, while concentrated collectors are more suitable for large scale industrial applications in area with high level of direct sunlight. This, this picture is representing the flat plate collectors. This how the this is the demonstration of solar thermal collector and through which the energy storage and domestic heating crystals and various can explain here. This is the solar collector flat tube plate evacuated collectors which is in the form of tube whereas used in the home for domestic uses. Applications of solar thermal energies. Solar thermal energy has a wide range of applications, including generating electricity, heating water and spaces, and powering the industrial process. In electricity generation, solar thermal power plant use minor or lenses to concentrate the sunlight onto the receiver, which heats a fluid that drives a turbine to generate the electricity. Solar thermal system can also be used to heat water for domestic and commercial uses, as well as to provide the space heating and cooling. In addition to this application, solar thermal energy can also be used to power industrial processes such as drying, distillation, and sterilization. The use of solar thermal energy can help to reduce the greenhouse gas emission and dependency on fossil fuels, making it an important part of transition to the sustainable of future energy resources. This is the various form of solar energy are as an electricity in an industrial or some IT companies. This is also same industrial agriculture usage, and we can use solar energy to charge electrical appliances. There is some more solar advantages and disadvantages of solar thermal energy. Solar thermal energy has several advantages over the other forms of renewable energies, including its ability to store heat for later use and it's relatively low cost compared to other form of renewable energies. Solar thermal systems also have a long lifespans and recover and require minimal maintenance once installed. However, there are also some advantages to solar thermal energy, including its dependency on direct sunlight and the need for large amount of space to install the collectors. Additional solar thermal energy systems can be affected by the weather conditions such as cloud and rain, which can reduce their efficiency. This is an industrial area which generates the solar electricity using solar thermal energy. Presently, in India, how we are using the renewable energy in India. According to the 2020 census, this is the pictorial representation. This part is solar thermal energy. This part is this part is the solar thermal energy, and this is biomass, and this is geothermal energy. This is biomass electricity, wind power, tidal, solar electricity, geothermal electricity, hydroelectricity. These are the various form of renewable energies which are used in India. Next, current state of solar thermal energy. Solar thermal energy is currently experiencing the growth in many parts of the world, particularly in the countries with a high level of direct sunlight such as Spain, India, and China. In 2019, the global solar thermal market was valued at dollars of 20.5 billion, and it is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Despite this growth, there are still challenges facing the when widespread adoption of solar thermal energy, including the high upfront cost of installation and the need for supportive policies and incentive from governments. However, as the technology continues to improve and costs continue to decrease, solar thermal energy is expected to play an increasing important role in the global energy mix. In India, installed solar power capacity in India and Rajasthan and the Gujarat where as maximum of direct sunlight as lot many installation of solar power. This part doesn't contain much doesn't contain any solar power installation. This is only 10% and this is 10 to 100%. This is 100 to 250% like that. It is divided. This is state-wise distribution. And here you can see the clear absorption of the statewide distribution of solar power installation in India. According to this is a megawatt hour. Then, futures of solar thermal energy. The future of solar thermal energy looks promising with a continued advancement in the technology and increasing the demand for renewable energy resources. As in India, we are declining the fossil fuels resources, fossil fuel resources. So we are moving forward. We are looking forward the renewable energies. The solar thermal energy making the reducing the demand of fossil fuels. One of the material for solar thermal collectors that can increases their efficiency and reduces their cost. Solar thermal collectors are in very high cost and installation is very high. So we need a development new material for replacing the collectors or increasing the efficiency of their collectors by reducing their cost is more important in our future days. Another area of focus is the integrity of solar thermal system with other renewable energies resources such as wind and solar pho- photovoltaic systems. The as the world moves towards a more sustainable energy future, solar thermal energy is expected to play an increasingly important role in meeting our energy needs, while reducing our dependency on fossil fuels and migrating the impacts of climatic change. Thank you for watching. Please do share and subscribe for more.